You won't believe what oh my fucking god. My forehead is oily. I'm gonna use this again. Oh, did you notice? Look at my hair. I dyed it. What is wrong with me? Okay, now I look much better. Hi guys. I found these.
Welcome to another episode of Sam Snacks Raindrop Cake.
I'm so excited to try it. And what the heck are those? It looks like plastic Orbeez balls, don't they? The cakes feel a bit cold, so I think they just put it out. It says Warabi kanji. Yeah. How much did it cost? This cost a whopping 98 yen. This only costed 98 yen, and this is my first time trying a raindrop cake, is what they call it. But here we go. Let's open it. You know, they packaged it like how you would package raw meat, but this don't look like meat, does it? It doesn't smell like anything. There you can see the nice shiny ball, the soy sauce looking thing, and oh, you get a green sword. And this looks like sand. I think it's soybean powder. I'm gonna assume the sauce comes first. Fuck, it is soy sauce! I was just joking, but I think it's... What? Soy sauce? The fuck? Is this gonna be salty like those tofus I tried? You know what this reminds me of? Eyeballs. Ew, now I don't want to try it. That sounds gross. This is low-key giving me trypophobia. Like, and then we're gonna put this soy powder on top. This smells like peanut, guys. Kind of smells like, oh, do you know those Nutter Butter cookies? That's what it smells like. Oh yeah, look at that. Good ass lighting. Oh my god. Can you touch it? Ew, it feels like a naked grape, but squishier and kind of sticky. Let's try to grab one. Whoa! I can't even get one. They're like stuck together. Okay, there's one. Whoa. Should you look at that close up? Oh, interesting. Now it's time to taste. What the? It's not soy sauce. What is this? This is black stuff. It tastes like syrup. It's like just a really, really dark sugar syrup, like just plain fructose corn syrup. And this powder, just imagine if you took a Nutter Butter, split it in half, took the cream off, and just mashed up the cookie wafers. That's what this powder tastes like. And the actual raindrop bubble cake thingy-majig, this, I should have tasted one naked, huh? The cake is actually a little bit sweet. I thought it was gonna be tasteless and all of the flavor would come from the sauce and the powder, but the jelly cake, it has the texture of a really, really chewy gelatin, almost like mochi, but not as chewy as mochi. So see, like if you bite it, it doesn't stretch out, but when you chew on it, it's really chewy, like mochi. So when you chew it, it's really chewy like mochi, but not as stretchy and gooey. The experience of putting the little cake in my mouth feels like putting in a squishy naked grape. It's pretty damn good. I'm so impressed. What the? This is a really refreshing dessert. Oh my gosh, I like this. Oh my gosh, look. And they're really, really sticky. Get some powder on that. I'm so pleased. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna give this 8.5 out of 10. I enjoyed these. My first time trying raindrop cake. Yay! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oops.